as the Taipei Post Office and the National Taiwan Railway Museum, a favorite spot for visitors. When it's lit up at night, the North Gate exudes a muted beauty that transports you back in time. Don't forget to take some photos.
maganda talaga. Selfie mo dali.
Zhongshan North Road. Now, the double-decker bus will travel along Zhongshan North Road. This tree-lined boulevard has witnessed a great deal of history. The Taiwan Grand Shrine was built on Yuanshan during Japanese colonial rule. In preparation for Crown Prince Hirohito's visit to the Taiwan Grand Shrine, Takushi Road, present-day Zhongshan North Road, was created to lead to the shrine. Sweet gum was planted on either side of the broad and tidy road. Sweet gum are trees that offer welcome shade in the summer and intoxicating red leaves in the autumn and winter. From Section 1 to Section 7 of Zhongshan North Road, you can see Japanese-style lanes and alleys, wedding boutiques, Little Manila, and the international expat community in Tianmu. Zhongshan North Road features a mixture of old and new. Take a look around. You'll find yourself constantly amazed by the art, culture, architecture, and dining.
Hindi siya malikot.
city, in close proximity to the world's coolest neighborhood, Regent Taipei is an all-inclusive urban resort. Since its grand opening in 1990, it has hosted countless distinguished guests, including global icons such as Michael Jackson, Celine Dion, and Mariah Carey. Regent Taipei boasts a high-fashion shopping arcade, an award-winning spa center, and a collection of Michelin-recommended restaurants. It flawlessly merges timeless tradition with modern comforts, embodying the essence of a luxurious hotel.
여기가 버스 정류장이야.
Dia mau dah selesai. Hindi ko nakita meron pala dun sa dulo. Bumaba.
cement hall. It features the Taipei Eye, a unique performance venue that offers traditional Chinese artistic performances, especially for foreign travelers. You can enjoy Beijing opera, acrobatics, Nanbong music, Beiguang music, and traditional Chinese orchestral music with 8 instruments, Aboriginal music and dance, traditional Taiwanese opera, twin opera, and traditional Taiwanese puppetry. Chinese, Japanese, English, and Korean captions are provided during performances to help international audiences better understand. Performers interact with the audience before performances and during intermissions, so you can take photos with them. You can even watch the performers put on their makeup in the makeup area.
Shopping district. Situated on Zhongshan North Road, the Qingguang Market was once the place to go in Taipei City to buy imported goods. The market had large numbers of consignment stores, jewelry stores, and import boutiques. Items were carefully selected by store owners, so each shop had its own inventory and style. But over time, the Qingguang Market slowly morphed into an urban commercial district. The oil rice, egg noodles, red bean cakes, and other delicious traditional snacks here are scrumptious, earning the area the local nickname of Tasty Kitchen. Even foreign tourists make it a point to come here because they've heard about how good the food is. Come experience Taipei's unique market culture and be sure to take some photos to remember the experience.
Thank you.